This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Week 2, Building Confidence with O and U Words. Day 1, Learning O Words. Dear kids, let me model this for you. Let me read the word first, then when I pause, you read. Let's begin. Hot, hot. Pot, pot. Lot, lot. Dot, dot. Mop, mop. Top, top. Hop, hop. Bop, bop. Dog, dog. Log, log. Bog, bog. Sog, sog. Now, dear parent, let your child point the word I am reading. Let's begin. Dog, dog. Log, log. Top, top. Pot, pot. Lot, lot. Dot, dot. Hop, hop. Bop, bop. Sog, sog. Bog, bog. Mop, mop. Hot, hot. Now, dear parents, let's do a final check. Mark one box for each successful try. If your child can read all the words easily, that means they're ready for the next lesson. Dear parents, up next, we'll have some jumbled letters. Tell your child that their job is to figure out what word the letters make. Make sure they have their paper and pencil ready. Let's have fun with this one. However, if you observe that your child has much difficulty, do not force them to accomplish this strictly. Instead, you can show them the answers, then return to the first given jumbled word and see if they can remember. Give them time. Great work today, kids. Keep practicing these O words and see you tomorrow for day two. We'll have new words to read and write together. This is Teacher Janelle and ta for now.